Some people asking how I find out my hotspot name and the password. So in this video we will see how we can find out. So just you need to go into the setting, connection, where you'll find the mobile hotspot. Just click on the hotspot. So this is a tab you need to turn on, so then you can share your data to somebody, which is called hotspot. So how you can find the name and the password? So when you click on it, it will open that menu and it will show you how much data you shared today, or what is the name. So that's the name, whatever you can edit the name, whatever you want, and you can edit the password also. So this is a password when you give to somebody, they can use your hotspot, and you can change anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a data on your phone. If you want to share your hotspot only one time, so just there is one more option. Just go down, you'll find one-time password. So when you click on it, this is a one-time password. The person can connect to you, and then after that he cannot connect to you. If you give that password, it works once, otherwise you can just share that password for the future reference. Thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video.